CaptainPilot will reach your desired aviation English proficiency level step by step with the recommended training model. All you have to do is to apply the step-by-step training model and measure the progress with our exam modules. The first step will be to determine your level by entering the completely free placement test. Then it will be to study step-by-step the training modules recommended by CaptainPilot. As a result of the training model, you will be able to determine your progress with CaptainPilot Master Tests, which is completely free. Step 1 Placement Test. Step 2 Aviation Listeners Training Course. Step 3 Radiotelephone Phraseology Training Course. Step 4 Aeronautical Standard Phraseologism Database Package. Step 5 Aviation English Training Course. Step 6 Aviation English Exam Training. Step 7 E-Learning LMS Courses. Step 8 Language Proficiency Mastery Test. Welcome to our CaptainPilot website to reach your desired language proficiency level.